Assemblies takes a group of products and turns them into a different final product. Instead of deducting quantities at the time of sale like a bundle, those products, whether they're ingredients or raw materials, are deducted out of your inventory when you choose. In this video, I will use Assemblies to make a skateboard from its parts. To create a new assembly, head to the drop-down menu in the top left and select Assemblies. From there, you'll see three options: Templates, Run, and Settings. Templates are where you'll input your materials. The Run section is where you'll actually run the assembly and deduct quantities from input products while adding to the output product. In the Settings page, you can toggle expiration for perishable assemblies. Let's get started. All of the input products as well as the output product must already be products in Thrive inventory. Click Create Template, enter a name, description, tags, and any internal notes. Now add the input products that will be used to make this output product. Enter the quantities to be deducted from the inputs to produce the assembly. The output will be one complete skateboard. The cost of the assembly is automatically generated based on the cost and quantities used of your inputs. Enter any additional cost here, and note that this additional cost is factored in per unit. Hit Save in the top right when finished. Go to the Run section next to run the assembly. Let's say I'm setting up 3 complete skateboards right now. I can run this assembly 3 times. This will deduct the necessary input products from inventory and add to the output product. Anytime I create this assembly from now on, all I have to do is enter how many runs I'm making. Assemblies can also be used for making a recipe or breaking down a large shipment into smaller sellable units and is available on the Professional plan and above. For more information, tutorials, and step-by-step guides, visit the help documents linked below. If you need additional assistance, please contact our customer care team using the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of our website.